Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play elevator music on piano. To start, focus on basic major and minor chords. These three-note triads form the foundation of the genre. Try using common chords like C major, G major, F major, and a minor. Practice transitioning smoothly between these chords, ensuring each change is deliberate and unhurried. Aim for a gentle, flowing sound that sets a calm atmosphere. This simple approach will quickly get you started. The rhythm and tempo are crucial for authentic elevator music. You want to maintain a slow, consistent pace, typically around 60 to 80 beats per minute. This unhurried speed contributes to the relaxing feel. Most pieces use a 4/4 time signature, providing a stable framework. Focus on keeping the rhythm steady and unobtrusive, allowing the music to blend into the background rather than demand attention. A metronome can be very helpful here. For the melody, simplicity is key. Craft short, repetitive phrases that are easy to listen to without being distracting. Incorporate arpeggios or broken chords to add gentle movement without complexity. Keep your melodies within a relatively small range, perhaps an octave or two, to maintain a consistent texture. Focus on smooth, connected note transitions, avoiding any sudden jumps or dissonances. The goal is a pleasant, flowing sound. To enhance your sound, consider adding a simple bass line or sustained notes in the left hand. This provides a richer texture and depth. The sustain pedal is your friend. Use it judiciously to connect chords and create a smooth, resonant sound. Practice slowly and deliberately for at least 15 minutes each day, focusing on consistency and a relaxed touch. Remember, the ultimate goal is to create a calming, unobtrusive musical backdrop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.